What's up, everyone? This is Nick Romano from All Clean Exteriors. Today I'm going to show you the process for cleaning a stamped concrete walkway. As you can see, the surface was covered in dirt and mildew before we started. Once it was cleaned, it revealed the organic growth trapped underneath. Before the start of this clip, we saturated the surface with water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while we prepped other areas of the house for cleaning. We do this to cut down on the amount of chemicals we use on each job. Once we're ready to start the actual cleaning process, we pass over the stamped concrete with a 24-inch surface cleaner. You could see in this clip what the surface cleaner is capable of doing without creating damage. Click here to subscribe now and support our channel. In this clip, we are going over all the edges we missed with the surface cleaner. This process can be completed either before or after surface cleaning, but on this particular day, we chose to do this process second. Once the entire surface is cleaned, we rinse the area of all residual dirt and debris. This is probably the most important step in the process. We use a pump sprayer and mix 12.5% sodium hypochlorite with water and apply that mixture to the surface. What this does is remove all green mold and frees the surface of all other organic stain. In this last clip, you can see the walkway has been returned to its original appearance using these steps. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.